Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome to Slow English Broadcast. Listen carefully and practice. Today I want to speak about daily routine. What to do every day. I usually wake up at 8 a.m. I am not a morning person. After waking up, I make up bed. Then I say morning to my family. I live with my parents and my siblings. Then I go to the bathroom and I wash room, face and brush teeth. Sometimes I like to make a breakfast because I go to the work every day. I can make breakfast every morning. So sometimes when I am not tired in the morning, I like to make breakfast or for my family. I usually eat cheese bread with tea. I don't drink coffee in the morning because I want to go to the work and I like to drink a coffee in the afternoon. So, after waking up and washing my face, I look at my phone for a few minutes. I check my messages and emails when I make my breakfast. Then I eat with my family. I prefer a light breakfast, not heavy, because I have a lot of snacks during a day. Sometimes my mother's making breakfast for me because I am a little lazy. After evening my breakfast, I get dressed, go to the work. I have to wear my uniform. My uniform is so beautiful. It's black and red. I like it. After getting dressed, I go out of home and say goodbye to my family. I always go to my coffee by my home. I don't like bus, train or taxi because my coffee is not so far, it is near. After 10 minutes that I go to my office, I use my key to open my office door. All the time when I see my office, I feel so happy because my office is so beautiful and it's so comfortable. I can make my phone plan. I can do my work in my office. My office is not so big, it is small. But I work about 8 hours a day in my office. At time I start my work. I start my writing my daily plan. Then I return on my laptop on checking my emails. Checking emails are so important. Sometimes I like to listen to music in my office. I like so much. I usually listen to trap, rap, and because I like them. Middle of a day, I rest for a short time, and after that, I prefer to eat my lunch. Sometimes I order my lunch from a restaurant. There is a good restaurant nearby office. After eating in my lunch, I continue my work. It's about 2 o'clock and now I need to drink coffee. I like to drink my off coffee with a small chocolate. I think it's good to drink coffee with a tiny chocolate middle of day. After that, I record some videos. I love recording videos because I can teach everything to my friends. After recording videos, it's time to finish my work time. It's time to go to home. I like to spend my evening with my family. So I get out of my coffee and close my door and come back to my sweet home. When I come back to home, and I see my mother and father, I feel so happy. I drink a cup of tea with family and then go to my bed. I think about my dreams and goals because I have a lot of dreams and goals. I believe in myself. I must try for my dreams. I am young, I am smart, I am hardworking, so I must try and try. I'd like quit time a night after thinking about my goals and wishes. It's time to wash my face and brush my teeth and prepare my outfit for the next day. Before sleeping, I like to read a paper of a book. I like a reading book can teach me a lot for things. Reading is necessary for our life, for our job. I suggest everyone to read a paper of book every night or every day. After reading my book, I put my book on the table and then turn off the light and close my eyes to sleep. I think every day is a new chance. We should use it in the best way and we should be positive and try for our dreams. I am called to be my friend. If you like a slow English podcast, you can follow my channel, my videos, and my videos. Tell me about this video on comments, please. See you everyone in the next video.